बहुत कभी कभी आपके पेपर्स में आ सकते हैं ये, सो विल जस्ट डू दिस। सिंपल फॉर्मूले हैं जो आपको याद करते हैं। फर्स्ट मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट मॉडल है, दैट इज योर पेलेटियर एंड लीमन, दैट इज m is equal to p plus k e to the power c minus d. Just read these constant, I'll come in just 1 minute. ये देखो m क्या है यहाँ पे, e k e सॉरी e तो चलो नॉर्मल आपका एक्सपोनेंट वाला हो गया, c और d क्या है. Study these and based on that only you'll get a question. K is normal constant that you will be given. C and D. Now C and D are your C is basically your complexity measure, and D will be your degree. Complexity measure that will be given to you in the form of basically 1 to 10, right? And similarly D will be given to you in the form of in the range of 0 to 1. So let's take an example for this one, that the development effort for a software project is 500 person months. If you remember, हमने कोकोमो मॉडल किया था, remember? Yes, ma'am. Right? In that case, we have seen that the unit of effort is in the form of person months. Right? So here the development effort has been given to you in 500 person months. That is actually your P here. Then the empirically determined constant K is 0.3. That K is given to you as 0.3. Now C is your complexity measure. So the complexity is quite high here and is equal to 8. As I told you, the complexity will be given to you in the range of 0 to 1, 1 to 10. Right? Similarly, E, that is degree to which maintenance team is familiar with the software, that will be given to you in the range of 0 to 1. So here C, that is complexity, is given to you as 8. Now you need to calculate the total effort expected, that is M. If, now there are two parts here, so you need to find this total effort twice. Why? Because in the first case they are saying that the maintenance team has good level of understanding of the project. That is D is your 0.9. In the second case, maintenance team has poor understanding of the project. That is D here is 0.1. So you'll need to find the total effort in both the cases. Have you all understood the problem? What you need to do? So P has been given to you, K has been given to you, C and D has been given. So of course you'll need a scientific calculator here as well, right? So P, K, C ये आपको given है. अब first case में D क्या है? That maintenance team has good level of understanding, that is 0.9. तो simply आपने formula में values put on करनी है and you'll get your answer. Second case में maintenance team has poor understanding of the project, that is P is equal to 0.1. In that case, D becomes 0.1 and you can find your answer. Yes.
मैम अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन पेपर में आता है तो हम ये e to the power जो भी आएगी माइनस करके, तो हम उसे कैलकुलेट कैसे करेंगे?
साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर में बच्चे एक्सपोनेंट होता है.
मैम हमें याद, तो हमें निकालने का कोई तरीका
चेंज हो रहा है, बाकी सब चीजें सेम है, बस मेंटेनेंस टीम की एक तरफ गुड लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, एक तरफ पुअर लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. पहले केस में आपका जो एफर्ट लग रहा था दैट वाज 863 person months. In the second case it's 1309 person months. Almost 500 person months effort का डिफरेंस है.
आ गया मैम.
आ गया? Right. इस तो ये आपको ऐसा अगर क्वेश्चन आएगा तो सिंपल आपको बस फॉर्मूले में वैल्यूज पुट ऑन करनी होंगी एंड यू गुड टू गो. एनी डाउट इन दिस वन?
नो मैम.
Your second cost model is based on this annual change tracker. So this was actually proposed by Boeing. So here what you need to do is you need to find out ACT, that is annual change traffic. कितने आपने lines of code add करे, कितने delete करे and so on. So annual change traffic is the fraction of a software product's source instructions which undergo change during a year, either through addition, deletion or modification. And based on this act, you can find out annual maintenance. तो इस केस में annually कितना आपका effort लग रहा है that you are finding. So annual maintenance effort is equal to ACT, that is annual change traffic, into software development effort. क्योंकि of course जो भी आपका maintenance effort लगेगा उस केस में change तो हो रहा है उसके अलावा of course there is some software development effort as well, right? So you will multiply this annual change traffic with the software development effort to find out annual maintenance effort. So let's see a question for that one. For example, annual change traffic for a software system is 15% per year. The development effort is 600 person months. So you need to compute estimate for annual maintenance effort. Also, if lifetime of the project is 10 years, what is the total effort of the project? So first of all, here annual change traffic has been given to you as 15%. 15%, okay? So that means around, that is 0.15. That is your act. फिर development effort कितना given है? That is 600% months. 600% months, right? First आपने निकालना है annual maintenance effort. Annual maintenance effort का formula क्या था? What is the formula?
ACT into SD.
Yes. ACT, that is annual change traffic, multiplied by STE, that is software development effort. So both are given to you, that is 0.15 into 600. So 0.15 into 600, that evaluates to 90% months. So that is your annual maintenance effort. Next आप देखोगे आपका first part तो हो गया. Next आपको क्या निकालना है? If lifetime of the project is 10 years, what is the total effort of the project? अब एनुअल मेंटेनेंस एफर्ट क्या हो गया कि एनुअली यानी कि हर साल का मेंटेनेंस में कितना एफर्ट लग रहा है. हर साल 90% मंथ्स आपका मेंटेनेंस एफर्ट जा रहा है, राइट? अब आपको बोला है कि 10 इयर्स है अगर इस प्रोजेक्ट की लाइफ टाइम, तो उस केस में टोटल एफर्ट कितना लगेगा? टोटल एफर्ट में आपका सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट एफर्ट भी आएगा और मेंटेनेंस एफर्ट भी आएगा, राइट? तो उस केस में हर साल आपका मेंटेनेंस एफर्ट कितना जा रहा था? 90%. तो 10 इयर्स के लिए कितना जाएगा? 90 into 10, that is here it's 900%. ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे 90 नहीं है, यहाँ पे क्या है? 900 है. So it evaluates to 900% months for 10 years. That is maintenance effort. और सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट एफर्ट आप एक ही बार वो तो लगेगा जो एक बार पहली बार डेवलप करने में लगा था. That has been given to you as 600% months. So 600% months जो आपका one time लगा, that is your development effort. Then 900% months जो आपका 10 years तक आपका लगेगा maintenance में. So total effort has been given as 1500% months. That is maintenance effort plus development effort. Clear हुआ ये point?
Yes, ma'am.